few additional announcements. The Video Music Awards are going to be held Sunday, August 30th at Barclays Center. There are air filtration devices, air filters, that can actually help with the COVID virus. And NASA has studied these. There are HEPA filters, which are high-efficiency particulate air filters that can actually filter out the COVID virus. The COVID virus is 0.1 microns. There are HEPA filters that can filter out 0.01. So any malls that will open in New York, large malls, we will make it mandatory that they have air filtration systems that can filter out the COVID virus. For many of these systems, it depends on what filter you install, called the MERV rating of the filter. But they have different filters that filter out different size particles. And they have filters that can actually filter out and catch the COVID virus. For large mall reopenings, which we haven't done yet, but we're going to make this mandatory. I would recommend, the state recommends, for all businesses and offices, they explore the potential for their air conditioning, air filtration system, adding a filter that can filter out the COVID virus. We have been looking at this issue because you look around the country and you're seeing malls, you're seeing air conditioning systems, indoor spaces that have been problematic. And we think this offers